moving into South Carolina. Hello, South Carolina. Goodbye, Georgia. Georgia, we had a nice day, but we got to continue north. We got a seasonal job to get to. I really didn't see a sign, but I know that river we just crossed was the state line. This is Highway 170 East. It is nice and cool today. Here's our sign. Welcome to South Carolina. Hello, South Carolina. Goodbye, Georgia. There actually is a wildlife refuge right here, but it is closed currently. I don't know why, but typically we would have been able to explore that, possibly camp. Away we go. All right, we are on Highway 45 heading towards McClellanville, South Carolina, out here in the Francis Marion National Forest. It is a beautiful day. We are going to be finding a camp out here as well in the National Forest. There's a free little campground we're going to check out, see if we can get a spot there. But going to stop in this little town first and come back out this way. Looking forward to spending a good couple weeks out here. Really just need to be at a camp in nature to get grounded and reboot here after spending a lot of time working on this box van, get converted into a camper van. Pretty much there, so we'll be doing some updates as I move along. Well, here we are coming into McClellanville, South Carolina. Kind of a mixture of big houses and small houses. Some big properties and little ones as well. Ah, love all these old oak trees reaching over the road here. So neat. This be downtown McClellanville. Pretty small little town. This T.W. Graham & Co. seafood is supposed to be pretty well known for having good, fresh seafood. We are pretty close to the coast here, so I'm going to drive through town, and I believe there is a public parking area right near a river that runs out to the ocean. So we'll go check that out. Some old buildings here. Very neat. A little park here on the right. I'm actually going to pull over. Check this out. There's a giant oak tree with a tire swing on it. Let me take a look-see. A little bit of history about McClellanville here. You can pause that and read that if you like. Looks like it continues on the other side. Wow, that is one big oak. A little sign over here. Let's see what it says. Deerhead oak, height 67 feet, circumference 30 feet, longest limb 70 feet, age over 1,000 years. Look at that. Wild. Well, that was pretty cool. That's one old oak tree. Making our way through McClellanville, South Carolina. Let's see if we can check out this river here. Welcome to the R.E. Ashley Boat Landing. Check it out. This is McClellanville Public Observation and Fishing Pier on Jeremy Creek. Looks like this observation tower is closed. That sure would be cool to be able to get all the way up there. It's quite a view. Go check out the pier. Got this trailer here, oyster shell recycling. Well, it's really pretty and peaceful here. Very quiet. Not a lot of people down here. Ton of bird life. This was definitely worth the stop. We're going to move on. Well, that was a great little stop. We're going to go ahead and pull on out of here. It's actually warming up today. We're going to cruise back through town. I need to fuel up before heading to the camp. What a cool little stop. Love this little town. So just about 10 miles out of town here, we can get back into the National Forest and hopefully find a place to camp. There is a free little campground and some limited dispersed camping, so we're going to see what we can find. Gosh, what a beautiful day. Great day to be a nomad living on the road. Coming back by that seafood place here, you got people parked all the way down the road. That must be good. All right, we're back in the Francis Marion National Forest. It is beautiful in here, so many trees. Gosh, could not ask for a nicer day. It's just beautiful. Well, we are on the dirt roads once again. Feels good. Always feels like I'm coming home. It is pretty marshy out here in these woods. There's a lot of swampy, marshy land. This road here seems to be pretty hard-packed gravel. So don't know if we'll be able to veer off of this road too far or if there's any available camping down here. I'm just kind of exploring. But we'll check it out. I do believe there is a little Forest Service campground up the road. So if there's nothing down here, we'll go up and see if there's anything at that camp. We would like to hang out for a good couple weeks in these woods, so we'll see how it pans out. Well, there isn't anything for dispersed camping down this dirt road. This is actually a hunting area, so there's just little pull-offs on the side of this road for hunters to go into the woods to hunt. I believe that's what most of this area is. So we're gonna go up and check out this little camping area and see what it's all about. There's just not a lot of people out here in general. This Highway 45, there's hardly any traffic. But being just 10 miles or so out of McClellanville, this little camping area might have a few people in it. We will find out. Oh, it just feels good to be back out in the trees. Francis Marion National Forest. Recreation area, Honey Hill. Do see a few people in here. Check it out. Oh, there's one of those observation towers that was down by Jeremy Creek. Looks like this one is closed off too. I do see an open spot over across the way here. So we'll see if we can tuck this little box van in there. Well, Kelly is coming behind me. This spot looks big enough for the both of us. So I'm going to go ahead and snag this before someone else does. Okay, so we are all settled in at camp here. Got a nice little spot. Got these big concrete benches here, a little fire pit. We got the bikes unloaded. It looks like there's some nice trails around here, and we got the tent pitched to store some stuff in there during our little remodel projects. And getting some dinner going, doing up some Italian sausages and some baked beans. Put those on a bun. And we're able to get an outdoor shower in, so we got a little clothesline to dry the towels. Camp life is good. All right, there it is. We grilled up some peppers and onions also. Going a little bit of the golden spicy brown. Yeah. That is a caterpillar that looks like a twig. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. We are getting a little bit of rain passing through here. It's very nice to be able to take shelter in my little camper van here, listen to the pitter-patter of the rain on the roof. And we're just loving South Carolina. It is absolutely beautiful here. This Francis Marion National Forest is just a gem. This little free camping area, we're gonna stay out for probably the full 14 days. Had some friends come through and visit with us, so that was really nice. And just loving being back on the road, back out in nature. It truly is a blessing, and just grateful to have you guys all along to join me on this journey and adventure. I hope you're all doing well out there, and we'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.